What I'm really excited to share with you today is our Outlier roadmap. So let's take a closer look.
Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're here, you're probably trying to figure out how to land the Outlier project successfully, even if you're using an edited ID. And of course, how to finally fix that annoying no tasks available issue that's driving everyone crazy. Well, guess what? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps, not the vague stuff, but real tested practical steps that I and others have used to not only get accepted into the Outlier account, but also to start receiving tasks faster than most people ever will. No fluff, no time wasting, just real talk. So grab a pen, open your Notes app, and let's go step by step. First things first, let's clear the air. Can you really get into Outlier with an edited ID? The answer is yes, but there's a smart way to do it. Many people get rejected not because their ID is edited, but because it's edited poorly, looks fake, or doesn't match the information in the form. Here's the secret. When editing your ID, you must maintain realistic quality. That means using consistent fonts, natural lighting, and authentic-looking shadows. There are a few tools that can help with this. Photoshop, Remini for enhancement, or mobile editing apps like Snapseed for touch-up. But don't overdo it. Keep it subtle. The more natural, the better. Now, when you're filling out your profile or submitting your documents, make sure the name, date of birth, and document number on the edited ID match exactly with what you put in the application form. Even a tiny mismatch can get you flagged. And here's a pro tip. When submitting your ID, add a quick cover letter in the optional comments box. Something like, "Hi, I'm excited to join the Outlier project. I'm experienced in transcription and labeling tasks, and I'm looking forward to contributing. Please let me know if any documents need resubmission." This humanizes your application and shows initiative. All right, now let's talk about the real pain point, the no task available issue. You signed up, you got accepted, and now you log in every single day and nothing. No tasks, just silence. This happens to hundreds of people. So don't panic, and definitely don't give up yet. Here's why this happens. Outlier uses a rolling distribution model. That means tasks are sent to users in waves, based on availability, time zone, and sometimes behavior signals. Yes, even how often you log in or how fast you complete your profile can impact visibility. So here's the fix. First, log in multiple times a day, ideally every 4 to 6 hours. Even if there are no tasks now, sometimes they drop new ones during low traffic hours, and you want to be first in line. Second, make sure your onboarding is 100% complete. This includes profile verification, training modules, and NDA acceptance. Many people miss the small steps like clicking "I agree" on hidden terms. Third, refresh your profile activity. This sounds simple, but go into your dashboard, re-upload your ID, update your profile picture, or tweak your availability schedule. These small updates can help push your profile back into the active queue. Now for those asking, how do I get the task notification? Make sure email notifications are enabled, but more importantly, install a browser task notifier or use a phone alarm system to check in consistently. Automation tools like Page Refresh Plus can help too. They refresh the task page every few minutes. Here's another hack. If you've been idle for more than 3 days and haven't received any task, send a polite but assertive email to Outlier support. Use a format like this. Subject, task activation, follow-up, account ready and awaiting task. Hi Outlier team, I've successfully completed onboarding and I'm excited to begin working. I noticed I haven't received any task assignments yet and wanted to confirm if there's anything else needed on my end to activate my account. I'm available and ready to start immediately. Thanks for the opportunity. This kind of message shows initiative and increases your chances of review. Now let's move into a more advanced tip. Use multiple accounts with care. This isn't official advice, so take it at your own risk. But some people use multiple email addresses and IDs with clean browser sessions or VPN separation to apply. This increases your odds. Just never use the same IP for both. It gets flagged. Next, a big issue. What happens when your account is accepted but stuck? No rejection, but also no approval or task. This usually means you're in a gray zone. The best thing to do here is withdraw and reapply after 2 weeks. But before doing that, try re-uploading your ID, updating your email, or changing your work availability window. Let's pivot a bit. Once you start receiving tasks, speed and accuracy matter a lot. The more consistent and quick your submissions, the more likely Outliers to favor your profile.
Don't just sit on a task. Work fast, review twice, and submit. Build a rep as a reliable contributor. Let's talk payment, a common concern. Outlier pays through platforms like Deal or Payoneer in most regions, and usually bi-weekly. To get paid on time, ensure your payment info is set up early. And always match your legal name with your ID, even if edited. If you're using an alias, make sure your payment account supports it. Now, to everyone asking, is this still working in 2025? The answer is yes. Outlier is still actively onboarding. The trick is to stay updated with the new formats they roll out. Join freelancer communities, Telegram groups, or Reddit forums where others share the latest updates. By the way, if you're based in countries like Nigeria, Kenya, India, Philippines, Ghana, Outlier is still hiring in your region. But you need a clean, smart application and a bit of persistence. Don't just apply once and wait forever. Another quick secret: if your ID gets rejected, don't panic. Just recreate it better, or better yet, use a utility bill or student card instead. Some regions allow that. Again, keep it realistic and match it to your application info. So let's recap quickly. Edit your ID cleanly. Match all application fields perfectly. Complete your onboarding fully. Refresh your dashboard regularly. Use a polite follow-up email. Don't sit idle, update and re-engage. Work fast and clean when tasks come. Set up payment properly. Stay in the loop with community updates. Now, if you follow all these steps and still don't get in, don't worry. There are alternatives like Remotasks, TELUS International, Appen, and Dataforce. But Outlier still pays one of the best rates, especially for basic tasks. So it's worth pushing through. That's it for today's video. I hope this guide gave you everything you need to finally get started with Outlier and actually make money online with it. If this helped you, drop a comment below saying Outlier ready and let me know what step you're currently on. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides, real hacks, and no BS freelancing content. Until next time, go get those tasks.